Hello guys, welcome to the 16th day of Christmas DIYs, and today we're making a simple card for your loved ones. It will be like three-dimensional. You will be able to touch it and feel it, and this is great DIY for kids too, because kids need to like touch different textures. It's scientifically proven is good for them. I got the idea from the Pinterest, of course, and I will link down below all my links where you can follow me, contact me, and I will link down below my Pinterest where you can find all the original pins that inspired me and all my pins that I will be putting there. I will make a Christmas tree from the wall, and on top we'll be putting this Tinkerbell. For this you will need cardboard for the Christmas card. We will be using the same white one with the pattern that I like. You will need some kind of wool. It needs to be a little thicker, not a thin one. And you will need the glue to glue everything together. You will need a topper, and we will be using this paper glue as always, and you will need these scissors to cut everything. If you want to write something, you will also need a black pen. And yeah, that's it. Let's start. You measure the card you want, the size of the card that you want. This is like too long for the card, so I will cut it out. This is the size of the card that I want. I think if it's smaller, then it will look more compact and nicer. It's like 10.5 centimeters wide, and it's tall 13 centimeters. And first that you're gonna do after the cutting the card is we're gonna put the topper. As a guideline to make the wool tree, I will be cutting it. I will use this little tool that I use to cut it out. So cut it carefully, like don't break the whole bead. And I do advise you to cut part by part so you don't hurt yourself and you don't cut the whole bead, okay? And that was not her head, just to be clear. She has her head. That was just the pendant part. This is how now she looks like, and I like it more. And you put it in the middle. We're gonna glue it now. Take some time to dry on the cardboard. Next thing that you do, you need to make a Christmas tree out of the wool. Don't like the look when it's alone like this, so I will make it double like this. Trace it before you glue it, okay? Just in case. Make the tree with the glue carefully, and then you will put the wool over it. If you want to make it extra, you can put like little ornaments in it, just few of them. You add a little glue onto the wool and just put few of them. This is the topper, little fairy, and then we have a wool tree, and you can see like these little sparkles, little ornaments. Write something nicely on it. Merry Christmas! I love this. I love this very much. It looks awesome, guys. Love this idea. I like when the letters are a little bit darker. It's just my preference, so we will just make them a little bit thicker and darker, blacker. And black pencil goes really good with this wool because the wool has like little black things on it. It looks so nice. Yeah, this is the end product. Do you like it? I think it's very cute. It's very sweet. It's very good for kids. And when you open it, it's like a lot of place to write. It looks nice. It looks clean. The other side is completely like clean. No glue, no anything. And you cannot see the glue under this because the wool is so fluffy. So I like this DIY. I hope you like this DIY. Look at how cute it is. It's so shiny and nice. And if you try it, DM me, comment down below. All my social networks are in the description box where you can follow me, contact me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. And I will see you tomorrow for the next Christmas DIY. Bye!